One that I easily answered, put it that way, is the most accomplished thing in life. Yep.
Yeah.
My favorite question was, I guess, the one about your favorite memory or something along those lines. Yeah.
Yeah, there's lots of good questions. I would like to, if you could wake up tomorrow having gained one quality or ability, what would it be? Because it's a very variety of answers between like just general human qualities and superpowers.
I got to tell the embarrassing story one. Not many people get to hear how shocking that was.
The people I work with are considered brothers and sisters to me. Like, we are that close.
Yeah.
And we literally put each other's lives in our hands.
Yeah.
But there's things that I've been there today, I didn't share with them, you know. So tomorrow I'm going to ask them when they cried. But no, I'm joking.
It's probably the family one. Not family, the good memory.
Yeah.
They're
Which
always-
was obviously about your family.
Yeah, they're always funny. You forget
Yeah.
things and then people talk and then it brings up other little memories.
Yeah.
Favorite question, I think, was, again, the good memories type questions. The ones that you get to share happy things about happening in your life.
My favourite question, we didn't answer it tonight, it didn't come up because we did random questions.
Yeah.
But was about if you could have a crystal ball.
Like, what would you like to know about your future or something like
Yeah,
this?
I like that one.